Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some summer shoe trends I am currently obsessed with just to help refresh your summer wardrobe, but with your shoes. Before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some shoe trends. So before I get into all the shoe trends, I do have a little mini unboxing for you guys, and this is actually my first summer shoe trend, which is a pop of color, and these are from none other than Vivaia. You know me, you know I'm a huge fan of Vivaia footwear. They are so comfortable and also like so eco-friendly, love the planet, made out of recycled materials, just really great stuff. But these shoes they're Miley style, and what's really cool about this pair is it comes with little shoelaces. So I also have these little like Vivaia shoelace accessories, which are so cute. And I'll go ahead and I'll open this up before I even open up the shoes. Okay, I had to do some box ripping, but well, we figured it out. So these are so cute, some of the extra little shoelaces it comes with. And again, this style is super, super cute. You can customize, DIY the shoelaces in like many different ways. If you look on their website, they have some like examples of how you can really dress it up. But these are so stinking cute. Okay, let me just show you. I got the shoelaces, but let's show you the shoes. So here are the actual shoes, and they're kind of this little flat in a more knitted material, and this material is very common for Vivaia. A lot of the shoes I own do have this same soft kind of knit material on it, and it makes them super comfortable, very flexible, very breathable, perfect for summertime when it's hot. So I really love the material on these, and this comes, looks like with already a pair of laces in here. And these laces are more like, I want to call them like bungee cords. They're more like traditional shoelaces, a little bit thinner. But you can see with the little extra ones, you can DIY it, switch it up, and add them in and make them look super cute. So let me, off camera, spice it up, and you can see this in a completely transformed style. Alright, so here is it with the cute little laces on, and this is so cute. You can see it just really transforms the shoe. Here is the original, so you can have a little side-by-side comparison, but these are so cute, and it's just fun to kind of switch it up and make it your own, make it fun. Again, you do also have these laces, so you can kind of intertwine it with this, wear it on its own, switch it up. So a lot of different ways you can style these, but basically the trend here is a pop of color. Like, we love a pop of color for summer. I feel like a lot of summer outfits are like light neutrals, like you're wearing linens, whites, beiges, and so having a fun little pop of color is like perfect and really just adds some oomph to your outfit, makes it a little bit more interesting, and gives some of that texture, that color, that fun to your look. So this is a great way to add a little pop of color to your wardrobe and really enhance your summer style. So yeah, definitely a shoe trend of having some fun, colorful shoes for the summer. Check, number one. That's number one on the list. All right, another little summer shoe trend, which also encompasses another pop of color, is something that is a little more like knit and woven. So I'll show you what I mean. So I have this pair, which very similar. They're both a pop of red, but I feel like the knitting on these is a lot more exaggerated and pronounced, and I think that style is really cute for summertime. So you can see it's almost like kind of see-through, but not really, and I think that is just so cute and just gives summer. Like, this is just giving, it just gives summertime, and it is so, so pretty. Again, this is capturing two trends, the pop of color and the knitting. But yeah, I just think kind of that exaggerated knit is so pretty and just so cute. So this is another really fun style, also from Vivaia. These are a little sling back with a cute heel. The heel in this is also kind of fun. It's this like little teardrop shape, very geometric, gives it an interesting look. I feel like every time I wear these, I always get compliments on them because the heel is so interesting and also they're like super cute. But yeah, I think the heel is a really fun little flair to this. But yeah, also super, super comfortable. They have like a lot of padding on them. So a really cute option if you're looking for that, number one, pop of color, but also with that exaggerated knit. And I'll give you guys even a better close-up maybe of kind of the difference on the knitting for these two. So yeah, you can see one is definitely more pronounced, more exaggerated, and the other one is kind of a little bit smaller. So summer shoe style number two, something that's a little more knit. All right, and that brings me to another summer shoe trend, which is the summer sneakers. Although these aren't like hardcore sneakers, they're kind of between like a flat and a sneaker, which is what I like so much about them. They're so cool. I feel like that low profile sneaker is so cute right now and so on trend. So moving away from a bigger, chunkier shoes and more of these like sleek, slimmer sneaker looks, I think are so on trend and super, super cute for summertime. Again, another Vivaia pair, and these are their like little satiny slippers. These are super, super cute. These also do come with other laces as well, very similar to this first style where it has more of the thinner laces and then these more like ribbon laces. So I love these with the ribbon. I think it is so cute. These also come in this adorable little baby pastel pink and they look like little ballet slippers. They're so cute. I definitely have my eye on that pair because who doesn't want a cute little pink satiny ballet moment? Like, we love. So these ones are really cute. They are definitely a neutral and perfect for summertime. Again, like I was saying, I feel like neutrals rule summer, but also like bright colors. So if you are adding that pop of color in your actual outfit and not your shoes, you might want to go with a more neutral shoe so this kind of balances out the look. But yeah, so summer shoe trend number three, little summer sneaker season, but like cute sneakers. All right, in this next shoe trend, I feel like there's not much to say. It just is. Like this style, she has ruled now for a couple years and continues to rule into the summertime, and that is a classic little Mary Jane flat. And these are so perfect, so classic, again from Vivaia, and I've had these for a while now and I wear these all the time. I wear these so often. They are like my current shoe obsession, especially for workwear. So I wear these into the office a lot. I think they're so chic and just effortless, and you're just like, yeah, these are just a pair of like really cute black Mary Janes. And sometimes it can be hard to try and incorporate black into your summer wardrobe, but I feel like a nice monochromatic moment with like stark black white, that always looks really cute. Black also looks really nice with like linen as well, as long as you find ways to incorporate other accessories to kind of bring it all together. I think that's a really cute look. But yeah, so definitely do not shy away from black during summertime. I think these are so cute and can add just a little bit of interest to your look. You know, everybody's gonna be wearing more of the lighter colors, and I feel like having the black adds just a little bit of contrast, a little bit of interest, and it makes your outfits overall a little bit more dynamic. So if you're not going for a pop of color, I think definitely leaning black to kind of add that element of surprise to your look. And obviously with the Mary Janes, you cannot go wrong. They're just so elegant, chic, and perfect for summertime, or honestly like all year round time. Like, I wear these all the time. So yeah, definitely had to include them in this little summer shoe roundup. But that brings me to my last pair, which I feel like is kind of a wild card, kind of a little different. Does not feel super trendy, but when you see it, like, I'll just show you. So these are a little chocolatey brown flat, and I know what you're thinking. Feels like chocolate brown is not a summer color, but hear me out. I feel like chocolate brown honestly looks so good with so many summer outfits. Like, if you're afraid to go like the stark black, the chocolate brown is just an easier transition for a dark color into your summer wardrobe. So maybe start with a chocolate, move your way into black later. These particular shoes are so cute, and I absolutely love a pointed toe for summer. I feel like a lot of styles right now, and even some that I've shown, like these ones have more of a like boxy toe, having a nice point, you know, it just does something. It just feels comfortable, and I just think it is so chic and very elongating to your legs, I feel like. You know, it's like very flattering of a style. And these ones are really nice. I'll give you guys a close-up. These also kind of incorporate that knit trend that I was talking earlier, but it is definitely a different fabric than the other ones. These are like a bit like shinier, like not plasticky, but just like a different, I don't know how to explain it, just a different material than something like this where it's a lot softer and like fabric-y. So these are definitely a different style, but these are definitely still very comfortable. I know it can seem like, oh, like this is not going to be as comfortable as the regular Vivaia footwear that you typically see, but honestly I think these are super comfortable. They're again really great workwear shoes, and honestly I feel like something that has slowly been creeping up as a high contender in my footwear rotation. I just find so many things I can actually wear these with, and I did not think when I got them that I was gonna find so much use for them, but they are super, super cute. I also love how reinforced the bottoms of these are. Like these are like kind of heavy duty. They're pretty thick. They have this nice like thick rubber heel. They have good like arch support, and just the actual shoe itself is super soft, very padded, especially the heel. Like look at all that padding on the heel. Like these are giving comfort. Like you are going to like have to try to not to be comfortable in these shoes because they are just built in such a comfortable way. But yeah, so kind of leaning into the chocolate brown for summer. I feel like it's a thing. I think it looks super cute. I think it looks really good with the summer pastels, maybe like the baby pink, the butter yellow. We're going full banana, brown yellow, but it's so cute. And I think, again, just another fun way to add a little flair to your looks and do something a little unexpected. Alright, so those are my 5 summer shoe trends, all from Vivaia. Again, if you are interested in any of these shoes, any specific styles, I will be linking them all down below. I also do have a link to the actual shoes that I unboxed today in this video. I'll also just link the Vivaia website in general. They have so many cute pairs of shoes and a lot of fun new styles coming in for summer. So definitely check out their site. There's so much on there, and even the shoes I shared today all come in a wide variety of colors and patterns. So definitely check them out. Look out for that. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below which summer shoe trend are you most into or most excited for. Also, which pair did you like the best? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you just enjoyed this style video in general, little fashion hacks, tips, summer trends, be sure to give this a big thumbs up, give this a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.